Before you connect your new terminal to Timely, it's best to plug the charger into the terminal and a power source to charge the terminal for at least 4 hours. So now you've got a spare 4 hours to think about how great it's going to be processing all your payments with your new terminal. If the terminal does not power on automatically when plugged in, press and hold the top power button like this. And if you need to power the terminal off, press and hold the power button for 3 seconds, followed by the green enter button, like so. Now that your mini terminal is fully charged, you can continue the setup in the Timely iOS app. The mini terminal only connects to the Timely iOS app, so you'll need to download that from the App Store if you don't have it already. Start by turning your mini terminal on by holding the power button located at the top right corner of the mini terminal keypad. Then, from the Timely iOS app, start by navigating to Settings and select Account Settings. Next, select the Timely Pay section from the menu and select Pair Terminal. Select your terminal type from the list. Confirm where you will use your terminal by selecting one of your locations from the drop-down. Confirm these settings by selecting the purple Pair Terminal button. Woohoo! Your mini terminal is all set up and you're ready to start taking payments with it. Up next is some help to make the most out of your amazing mini machine.